Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this oxygen sensor socket in SolidWorks. We have here, it's not a drawing, are some dimensions. We don't have all of them, but we're gonna approximate the others that are missing. So let's begin. This is how it's going to look at the end. So let's start. First we'll have to open a new SolidWorks document and select here part. Press here OK. And now I will make here plane white. And then we'll open a sketch in the top plane. We'll select circle and we'll make here a circle. This one will have the diameter 30 millimeters. And now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded boss base command. And here will be 76. Press OK. And now let's go ahead and select this face and open a new sketch. And here we'll select polygon. We'll make one just like this. Select these 2 points and select here make vertical. And now with smart dimension we'll give here a dimension. Here will be 22. And now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded cut. And here at dimension we'll put 15 millimeters. This will be the depth for this cut. Press here OK. And now we'll have to make another cut. And for this we'll have to open a new sketch in the, let's see, right plane. Select right plane, open a new sketch. And let's select here, from here, select this one, hidden lines visible. Okay, select center line and we'll make a center line just like this. And now with line we'll make the next sketch, so select line. We'll start like this. And make a sketch just like this. And now we'll give some dimensions, select dimension, and we'll make it here to be 10. I think it's a little bit too big. Let's make it 5. Okay, this is better. Okay, and now let's give some dimensions to this. Here the angle, let's make it 30 degrees. And this one, let's see. Let's see how 11 is going to look. I think it's good. So make this one 11. Now go to features and use revolved cut. And this center line should be selected here and press OK. Nice. And now let's go back up here, display style, and select this one, shaded with edges. Okay, it's not looking bad. And now we'll have to open a new sketch in the front plane. And we'll select again this one, hidden lines visible. And right here we'll select line. We'll make just like this and then go away from this ending point and then go back. It will transform into an arc, and then we'll make an arc and then line again and line. Now we'll have to define this. From this line to this line, here will be 10. Okay, make these 2 points vertical. And now we'll make this arc with this line, we'll make them tangent. and this is fully defined. Go to features and use Extruded Cut, and here will be through all. Direction will be through all. Press here OK. Now this is good. Let's make here again this one. Okay, and now we'll have to apply some fillets, but first let's make the head of this socket. So select this face, press here sketch, and we'll have to use polygon again. Select these 2 points, make them vertical. Now we'll have the same dimensions as the other one. Here will be 22. And now we'll have to make also a square inside here. So select from here center rectangle. Just like this, and this one will have 13 millimeters. And make both of these lines equal. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here will be 15 millimeters, and the direction will be outwards, not inside this part, and press OK. Okay, and now we'll have to add something else on these corners. As we can see in the pictures, we have some kind of cut outs right here. So we'll try to add that also. And also here is not a flat surface. Okay, let's go back. First we'll open a new sketch on this face, and here we'll select circle, and we'll make a small circle right here. With smart dimension we'll give this diameter of 1 millimeter. And now we'll make 2 center lines, and we'll make 4 more of these circles using mirror entities command. Select mirror entities, select this circle at mirror about this center line, press here OK, and then repeat the same thing with both of these and at mirror about this center line. Press here OK. And now go to features and use Extruded Cut. And here should be blind 15. Press here OK. This is how it's looking for now. Now we'll have to make like something like a cut here. To do that we'll have to open a sketch in the right plane, right or front, one of these two. And here we'll select this one again, hidden lines visible. And let's make a center line first. Like this, and now we'll have to make a sketch, so select line. We'll make a sketch just like this. And now with smart dimension we'll have to define this sketch. Okay, and the angle from this, for this line right here, will be 110. We have here some dimensions for this, so 625 to 25. This one will have 625. Okay, and this one 2.25. All right. The next will be 175 for this one. Actually, it is from this point to this edge. Okay, and the last dimension to fully define this will be right here. Let's make it 2.5 for now, and we'll see how this cut will look. Go to features, use revolved cut, and this center line should be selected here, and press it OK. And now this should be bigger because we want to cover all of this side. Now we'll go back and we'll edit this sketch, and definitely here should be more. Let's make it 5 maybe, or let's try with 4. Let's make it 5. Okay, and exit this sketch. Let's take another look. Yes, 5 is the right dimension. And now let's go ahead and make this, select this shaded with edges again. Okay, and now it's looking more like in the picture. We can see it right here. Now I'll have to add some fillets to match this picture, and should be almost finished. We'll start by selecting fillet from here, and then here the radius will be 1, and we'll select first this edge, and we'll select this, connect it to start face. Okay, press it OK. Okay, some of the fillets are not able to be made because it's too big. Let's try again. So fillet will only select this then to see if these are working. Okay, these are working. And now we'll have to do the same thing for this. So basically right now we'll be just adding fillets around here. Let's make this 0.5. Okay, that's good. And now on this other side, this edge also will have a fillet. This one will be a little bit bigger. Let's try with 2 millimeters, and then we'll select this edge again, another fillet. This time let's use here 1 to see what's happening. 1 should be good. And let's select also all of these other edges, connect it to this face. Now also for this, and basically all of them. Here I'm gonna use again 0.5. And this one's from inside. Let's try with 1. And this is it. This is the socket for an oxygen sensor. If you want to 3D print it, 3D print this part like I did for some of my tools, I suggest you to make these walls way thicker than this, because when you 3D print them with plastic, they will not be very resistant, so should be a lot bigger. This is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.